What's up, lifelong learners? It's your boy, Mr. Hank. So right now, what we're going to do is we are going to do this part right here where we are updating the ePortfolio. You should have watched how to build the ePortfolio from the last class a while ago. So now we're just updating the ePortfolio. So how do you update your ePortfolio? You're first going to go to My Drive in your Google Drive. You're going to go to Type. You're going to search for your site. And then you're going to go to People. And then you're going to choose yourself. And the reason why you want to choose yourself is because you only want to see the website that you have built. So I built a few of them, Martial Arts Club, and these are by dates and when you've been updating them and everything like that. So the last site I built was, as a demo, was this one right here, because I can tell by the date. That was the last time I modified it. So I'm going to double click on that, and boom, here we go. This is where you get to your previous site and you can update. And then once you update, make sure you push publish. So for example, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to update the logo. I'm going to add a logo. Okay, where's the logo? Right there. Click on that to update my site. Okay, any day now. Let's add a logo. All right, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a logo. So I'm going to click on upload, and then I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to upload using the Bruin Production PNG file. Remember, PNG allows for the clear background. Okay, so I'm going to click open, and then look at this. Got the color scheme and everything. All right, and you can see it right there. But that doesn't work well because I can't read dark on dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the white Bruin Production logo on there instead. I'm going to trash that, upload, and I'm going to go look for the Bruin Production logo. That's the white or the black. Okay, I'm not going to put the black. I think I'll put the white. I'll put this one right here so that way it's light on dark. Click open. Boom, right there, Bruin Production logo. Let's go. So you start updating that. And then what you're going to do is update these items right here. The depth of field, that's the background blur experience. And then the composition fundamentals, so that's anything related to composition you write about. And then your Lightroom experience, because we haven't been using Lightroom for a while. We're going into Photoshop now. That's why Photoshop is crossed out. So yeah, so for future students, I will update this for you. But for current student right now, this is what you're updating your ePortfolio with. All right. Hopefully that helped, and make your site look a little bit more professional with updating it using the logo, your logo, the one that you built. Okay, because you've been building a logo. Look at that right here. All right, and that's the reason why I have these step-by-step lessons and units, so that way you're creating an ePortfolio for yourself by the time you graduate high school. Okay? All right, you know how to say goodbye. Rock, paper, peace. Let's hang out again in the next video. Okay, stop recording.